Okay, Scotty. So we have red light here.
And if you look,
AAR Inc. That Bluetooth.
that's so we're hooked up.
Yes.
And we're not getting one drop of sound out of this.
Nope. And I have a tone. But watch this, everybody. You see watch the Wonder Bar. Wonder Bar. Look at Wonder Bar searching. My selector is working. It wasn't working before. Our presets work. Our power off. You know what's funny, Scotty? I have our knob all the way off for volume. And everything's lit up like it's on. But we have no power, no audio output. And you're connected to the Bluetooth.
Okay, so turn it off.
Okay.
Does everything go off?
No. Everything still works as if we were... Yep, the Wonder Bar, everything works.
All right, let's leave her off for a minute.
And that's off now, too. And the key's off.
Okay, so this is off now.
No, this is on still. With a red light.
And?
What?
What about now?
Still on with a red light.
And that's fiberglass. There's no ground, I disconnected it.
Then it's backfeeding something.
How about now?
Still powered up. But no audio.
How about now?
Now you're off.
Okay. So I'm gonna do.
Now you're off.
What should have been an absolute dream to do is turning into a complete fucking nightmare.
As usual. Should I pull this panel back off over here to make life easier?
Because, I mean, I can just disconnect everything over here. I mean, it's a quick disconnect, so that's not even an issue.
So it's like our constant is keyed and our keyed is constant.
Yeah.
But then it's not... You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I've done a million stereos. Fuck, I can quote you the goddamn color sequence for the wiring. For every single fucking stereo ever friggin' made. For aftermarket.
Yeah, but it's like doesn't turn off. Yay!
It was a ground issue the entire time.
Let me see if I can find a channel that isn't boring.
Process, yeah. I mean, we have to.
I think we're on AM.
I've been a
Ooh.
sex in a.
Yeah.
And I can put you in. I can put you in.
Ooh, there's a tone.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be
There we
the
go.
man, well, that's unless I am.
There we go.
I'll confess I am. Go ahead.
So all I need to do is make a better ground and we will be good.
Also,
I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't
wait,
got me
let me see if the key
downside.
works.
Set for the lack of time, I get round mine.
No.
Family, making sure they never downsize. I got visions.
Is that your phone?
Saying, wait, this house mine.
No, that's not a phone.
My
That's
Angus Cloud 9. I got 'em on
No,
the
that's not on
camera,
Bluetooth.
now about time. I ain't even got no down.
okay. Well, we're still lit up on the dash with key off or on. So And now I don't have any audio again. Oh, now what are we on? What the hell's going on here? Wonderbar? Like we had... I bet you that's your phone. What do you bet that's your phone? Where's your phone? I bet you you're Bluetoothed. Play. All right.
So we know it works.
Okay, that works. But wait, keep it playing. Keys off. I think our keyed and constant are backwards.
No, because that's constant.
But why is it on now? Because it should
And
shut
that's
off.
keyed.
But it's...
The red is...
Yes.
I have it hooked directly to the factory wiring harness.
I bet you that's been hacked then. Oh, the lights are on, too. On the gauges. No, they're not. I thought they were. Hold on. Why do we have no dash lights? Another problem we'll have to deal with. But look, keys on, off.
So that means somebody hacked into the factory harness.
Yeah, so we need to find a key. We need to give it a keyed power now. Here it is. Look, off.
Yeah.
Lock. On. It's acting like it's on all the time. Okay, so hold on. Let me see if I can turn it off. Okay, but it's still lit up like it's it's got keyed power, even though it's off. Okay, so Scotty, we need to find a keyed power. Oh, you know what was keyed power? All those titties under the thing. All right, let's hook up to one of those. Ay.
All right, so we need to do a better ground.
Wait, you just unhooked that?
I just disconnected the ground. That should be completely off.
It is now that I turn the power back on the thing. So it obviously has a capacitor. It's got red light on though inside. Okay, so we need a key. Let's do keyed power and a ground, and we'll go from there. Oh my god.